The Inspiring Journey of Marie Curie. A spark of genius. Marie Curie was a name that echoed through the halls of science. Imagine a woman in the late 1800s breaking barriers in a field dominated by men. Marie was not just another scientist, she was a revolution. Her journey started in Warsaw, Poland, where she was born in 1867. In a society that did not value women's education, she fought fiercely to learn. This fight would lead her to become the first woman ever to win a Nobel Prize. Education against all odds. Despite her family's financial struggles, Marie showed extraordinary talent in mathematics and physics. The education system in Poland at that time was not open to women, but Marie was determined. She secretly attended the floating university, a set of underground classes in Warsaw. Here she met other like-minded individuals who fueled her passion for science. How did these experiences shape her future? A journey to France. In 1891, her dreams took her to Paris, where she enrolled at the Sorbonne. This was a big move, not easy for a young woman from Poland. Living in a new country, she faced loneliness and language barriers. However, her hunger for knowledge and her relentless spirit pushed her to excel. She studied day and night, often working multiple jobs to pay for her education. What kind of sacrifices did she have to make on this journey? The discovery of radioactivity. Her hard work paid off when she began her research on radioactivity. Although many scientists dismissed the idea, Marie was curious. Along with her husband, Pierre Curie, she began experiments that would challenge the very foundations of science. In 1898, they discovered two new elements, polonium and radium. This groundbreaking work earned them the attention they deserved. But what other obstacles did they face as they made their discovery? A storied accomplishment. In recognition of their work, Marie Curie was awarded her first Nobel Prize in Physics in 1903, alongside Pierre Curie and Henri Becquerel. She became the first woman to receive this honor. However, the applause came with criticism. Many people questioned her abilities purely because she was a woman. Yet, Marie stood strong and continued her work, simply ignoring the naysayers. This determination led her to earn a second Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1911, making her the first person ever to win two Nobel Prizes. Imagine achieving such a feat despite the odds. The hidden struggles. Many believe that Marie was celebrated throughout her career without any setbacks. However, the truth was far more complex. During her research, Marie faced immense challenges, both personal and professional. The scientific community was often hostile to women. Fellow scientists doubted her, and many thought she only achieved success because of her husband. But Marie was different. She silently challenged their perceptions, proving her worth through her groundbreaking research. Legacy of curiosity and courage. Marie Curie's life was not just about her remarkable scientific achievements. It was also about her unbreakable spirit and curiosity. After the devastating loss of her husband in 1906, she continued her work with a renewed vigor. Out of sorrow, she found strength, inspiring countless women to pursue science and education. Her legacy lives on today, particularly in the fields of medicine and physics. The advances she made in understanding radioactivity continue to save lives. How many people can say they changed the world in such profound ways? A path for future generations. Marie Curie paved the way for future generations of female scientists. She broke the glass ceiling and proved that women could achieve greatness in science. Many institutions and awards honor her name today, motivating aspiring scientists everywhere. The question remains, how can we continue to support and uplift women in science today? A surprising truth. One surprising fact about Marie Curie is that she did much of her groundbreaking work without understanding the long-term dangers of radiation. While today we understand the risks, especially regarding radiation exposure, Marie and her peers did not realize the harmful effects until much later. It is a reminder that brilliance often walks hand in hand with perilous ignorance. How does this knowledge change our perception of her achievements? An invitation to reflect. As we reflect on Marie Curie's life, it becomes clear that persistence and passion can lead to extraordinary achievements. The world she changed through her scientific discoveries continues to evolve, pushing boundaries to this day. Considering all of her struggles and triumphs, what do you think Marie would say to today's young scientists who look up to her? Would she encourage them to continue breaking barriers? Conclusion: an inspiring legacy. Marie Curie's inspiring life is a testament to human resilience. Her journey reminds us that with hard work and determination, we can overcome any obstacle. As we celebrate her legacy, let us also strive to continue her mission of discovery and equality in science, ensuring that every voice has a chance to be heard. In embracing both her challenges and victories, we find inspiration for ourselves. What part of Marie Curie's journey resonates most with you?